In this lesson, we will learn about the basic syntax of HTML. This includes the structure of an HTML document and how to use tags, elements, and attributes to create and format content on a web page. First, let's take a look at the structure of an HTML document. An HTML document consists of two main sections, the head and the body. The head of an HTML document contains metadata about the web page, such as the title, keywords, and styles. The body of an HTML document, however, contains the actual content of the web page, such as the text, images, and links that we see on the web browser. Now, to create an HTML document, we will need to use tags to mark up the content. A tag is a set of angle brackets that includes an element and its content. For example, the paragraph element is represented by the p tag. And to create a paragraph, you would use something like this, where you have a p enclosed in angle brackets, and then some content, and then another p, but with a slash. Now this slash represents the closing of a tag. Overall, HTML has a number of different elements that can be used to structure and format content on a web page. Some of the common elements include headings, paragraphs, links, images. Headings. Headings are used to create headings and subheadings on a web page. There are 6 levels of headings, from H1 tag till H6 tag, the H1 being the largest and the H6 being the smallest. Paragraphs are used to create blocks of text on a web page. The p tag is used to create a paragraph element. Links are used to create hyperlinks on a web page. The a tag is used to create a link element. And the href attribute is used to specify the link's destination. Images. Images are used to display pictures on a web page. The img tag is used to create an image element, and the source or the src attribute is used to specify the image file. The image tag is the one that don't need a closing tag. HTML also has a number of attributes that can be added to an element to provide additional information or functionality. For example, the class attribute is used to specify a class name for an element, which can be used to style the element using CSS. In the next lesson, we will learn about how to use HTML to format and style text on a web page. See you then.